In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove sound or song from a video in CapCut PC. If you need to completely separate and permanently delete the original background music or voice track that is built into a video clip, this is one of the easiest ways to do it inside CapCut on your computer. The good news is that the process is quick, simple, and only takes a few clicks once your clip is already placed on the timeline. To begin, go down to your editing timeline and find the exact video clip that contains the sound you want to remove. Make sure you are working with the correct clip before making any changes. Once you've found it, move your mouse cursor directly over that video clip block in the timeline. Then right-click on the clip to open the Extended Options menu. This menu gives you access to several clip controls, and the one we need is the tool that lets CapCut pull the audio away from the video. In the right-click menu, scroll until you see the option called Separate Audio, then click it once. As soon as you do that, CapCut will automatically extract the audio from the video clip. You'll see the result immediately on the timeline. The video stays in its original track, and the sound is placed on its own separate audio row directly underneath. This is helpful because it turns the audio into an independent track, which means you can now edit or remove it without affecting the visuals in the clip. Next, click directly on that newly created audio track block below the video. Once it is selected, you should see it highlighted clearly, which confirms that only the audio is active. Now you can remove it permanently. Press the Delete key on your keyboard, or if you prefer using the interface, click the trash can icon on the timeline toolbar. The audio waveform will disappear from your project, and your video clip will remain in place without any sound attached to it. At this point, your footage is now silent and ready for whatever you want to add next, whether that's a new voiceover, background music, sound effects, or no audio at all. This method is especially useful when a clip comes with unwanted music, noisy background sound, or a voice track you don't want to keep. And that's it. You opened the clip options, separated the audio, selected the extracted track, and deleted it in just a few quick moves. Your video is now clean, silent, and ready for the next part of your edit.